how to clear out your RAM cache in Windows. So in order to check the RAM cache in Windows, first of all, let's hold our Control key, our Shift key, and click on the Escape button. After that, our Task Manager will open up and go to Performance section. After you go to Performance section, go to Memory, and inside Memory you can see that my cache memory is about 4 GB. I have 16 GB of memory in this PC, and you can see that 15.7 GB is available. So in order to clear out the RAM cache, what you need to do is go on this website right here. The link of the website is present in the description down below, and click on Download RAM MAP. And now, after the zip file is downloaded, open up the zip file, go to RAM map 64 if you're using 64-bit. If you're using 32-bit, then make sure to click on the second option right here. So click on the 64-bit, click on Extract All, and after that, click on Extract, and you can see 4 of these options again. Go to RAM map 64, click on Yes, click on Agree, and right here you can see that Task Manager has 4.1 GB of RAM cache stored, right? So in order to clear this out, what we will do is go to the Empty section right here and click on Empty Standby List. After you do that, you can see that my RAM cache has decreased to 253 MB from 4.1 GB, which is a lot, right? That's how you do it. That's how you clear RAM cache in Windows. You can have this software inside your Windows. It's pretty useful when you want to clear your RAM cache and make your computer a bit faster.